Ayan po, meron pong rice.
Neighbors upstairs where I live, they just moved out.
Yan, rice po, tinapon nila.
Yeah, it was sealed.
Yan mga kostong, ayan, full load po yung ano, bin. Ay, full load po yung bin. Ayan po. Ayan po, meron pong rice.
Neighbors upstairs where I live, they just moved out.
Yan, rice po, tinapon nila.
Yeah, it was sealed. It don't go bad, so do it.
Rice.
It don't go bad, eh?
Yeah.
Did you go bad?
Ang dami. Punong-puno, daming ano. Ang dami pong kwan. Yun, maganda po yung orange. Ang daming apple. And orange. Orange po. Ang dami nila pong tinapon, no? Punong-puno po yung bin. Grabe, oh, daming ano. Tapos nabasagan ng kwan. Ng ano-anto ng ano yung sili. Ayan po, oh, sili. Ano lang po ng sili. Pwede yan, sili lang yan. Pwede yan, oh, hugasan. Uy. Oh. Ayan. Oh, grabe, ang dami. Oh. Grabe, ganito talaga sila dito. Magsasayang sila ng ano, pagkain, mga kabayan. Oh, ganda pa ng upo, laki. Tayo ng upo. Upo, pwede pa. Oh, grabe, ang dami. Oh, may saging. Pwede pa po yung saging, oh. Nayupi lang. Ang green, oh. Ayan. Uy, papaya. Uy. Nalamog. Ito. Wow, gaganda ng ano, carrots. Kaso bitak. Ito, hindi siya bitak. Ayan, carrots po. Wow, carrots. Ayan, carrots po. Ay. Yan, ganda po ng carrots. Ang dami, sayang itong mga carrots na to. Oh, saging, oh, gaganda pa ng saging, oh, green na green. Yan. Nothing there?
Huh?
Nowhere?
Here?
Yeah, the other side?
No, not a lot. I never checked.
You never check?
It's the only one I was watching.
Okay, I'm gonna check here. Uy. A lot of garbage.
Okay.
Yeah.
You know up in there front ones, the big green ones?
Yeah.
That's from Dollarama. One day I came here,
Yeah.
I got 36 2-liters and 3 cases of bars. How's them ones?
Oh,
Yeah, you gotta check it every now and then, eh?
okay.
You have a because even though the dollar store comes on expiry, they throw away.
Yeah.
Caterpillars and pop outside.
Oh, wow. Ganda ng cauliflower, oh. Oh, yun ah. Clear na clear. Oh my God, ang dami. Ang dami sa loob.
Why go in the store? You know?
Yeah.
5 minutes before this, it was on the shelf in there.
Oh, grabe, binuhos. Grabe mga kostong, oh. Binuhos lang nila.
Why? I didn't want to be rude, you know?
Ayan. Oh, lala.
Ooh, what a stink in there. Ooh. Jeez, I think she might have died in there. Wow.
Oh, wala.
Look at McDonald's about to kill here.
Oh, wow. Oh.
The one time I came on a bin down in the southeast,
Yeah.
and there was a guy there, he smoked dope or whatever, and the cops come up and arrested him. So he hid his wallet and everything in the shopping cart.
Oh.
I waited for about 20 minutes or so. He never come back. Checked the wallet, there's like $1,000 in it. Thank you. But
Those.
there was drugs there too, so I guess he was hiding his drugs and his money.
Yeah. Oh. Oh.
I don't know why people make a big fuss about that. Well, I got a half a fiber of paint. Is that right?
Oh, grabe. Ang hirap po alkalin mga kaustong, mga kababayan ko. Punong-puno talaga. Ito po yung ano, mahirap kalkalin. Kasi grabe, pinagbubuhos nila. Sa dami. Sa dami po binuhos.
Just fruit. Apples and oranges and
Oh,
pears. Want some pears?
yeah. Oh,
Any left in there?
no.
No? Here, I'll give you some.
No, no, no,
I
no.
don't
It's
need all
okay.
these. No, I don't need all
No, no,
these.
no.
Seriously, I don't
No,
need
it's
them
okay.
all, man.
It's okay.
Listen, I don't need all these.
No, it's okay. There's a pierce here.
Yeah, there's only one. Yeah, I don't need all these. I go down on my bike, usually pass
Oi.
all the homeless people are giving some food or something too. Yeah, if they're hungry. I think they eat better than most of us.
Uy.
There you go. That's right.
No.
Yeah, take man.
No, it's okay.
No, no, man, take some. Okay. I had to make room for the lettuce and the onion.
Parang may kwan po, tinapon na ano dito. Bigas. Parang may bigas. May bigas po sa ilalim. May kwan, nagkalat na bigas. Saan kaya yan? Oh. See? Oh lala. Ha. Tama na po to. Mahirap pong ano, kalkalin.
Where are you from?
Punong-puno.
The Philippines?
Yeah.
You see garbage bins full of food like that down there? Terrible that Canada wastes so much money.
Yeah, no waste money in the
I
Philippines.
used to work for Gordon Food Service, you know, Bridge Brand, and like they delivered all the restaurants, eh?
Yeah.
And every day, 2 53-foot trailers full of food go away. Terrible.
Yeah. Ayan po yung nakuha natin, oh. Kunti lang kasi hirap po kalkalin, nasa ilalim. Ayan, salamat po sa inyong panonood mga customer. Huwag kalimutan mag-like and share, comments and subscribe. Maraming salamat po. God bless. Bye-bye. Let's see. This one, you want?
What's that?
I don't know.
Natural dip.
Oh, there's a juice. Do you want juice?
One, yeah. Oh man, good shopping with you, man.
Yeah.
Good.